Hello and welcome. Reynolds number is equal to inertia force divided by surface tension force. B. Inertia force divided by gravity force. C. Inertia force divided by plastic force. D. Inertia force divided by viscous force. So the correct answer is inertia force divided by viscous force. The longest path of PERT is called critical path. B. Event. C. Activity. D. Dummy activity. So the right answer is critical path. Metal bar that is bolted to the end of the two rail to join them together in a track is called a rail, apron, fish plate, or none of these. So the correct answer is fish plate. After reaching bearing capacity, the soil produces shear bearing capacity, ultimate bearing capacity. C. Allowable bearing capacity. D. Net allowable bearing capacity. So the correct answer is ultimate bearing capacity. Is one that is exerted by the soil that tend to overturn or slide retaining wall. A. Earth pressure. B. Retaining wall pressure. C. Active earth pressure. D. Active earth pressure. Passive earth pressure. So the correct answer is active earth pressure. Unit of sound is A. Newton, B. meter, C. lux, and D. decibel. So the right answer is decibel. Pile load test is called dynamic, static, both dynamic or static. D. none categorized. So the right answer is this both. C. dynamic and as well as static. Which is non-linear behavior? A. elastic. B. high stresses, slope. D. none of these. So the right answer is high stresses. Arch basically work on tension. B. flexure. C. compression. D. all of these. So the correct answer is compression. Long column fail due to crushing, torsion, tension, or buckling. So the right answer is buckling. Short column failed due to crushing, torsion, tension, buckling. So the right answer is crushing. When the permissible stress reach in a concrete before yielding strength of the steel reach called under reinforced section, over reinforced section, balance reinforced section, or compact section. So the right answer is over reinforced section. Water cement ratio increase workability, first decrease then increase workability. So the right answer is B, increase workability. The amount, the volume, the pressure, the temperature, the density, etc. of both liquid and gas will all remain constant with the time. Water content in clay soil below which it stops to behave like plastic material. A. liquid limit. B. shrinkage limit. C. water content. D. plastic limit. So the right answer is shrinkage limit. ECNEC stand for Ex Committee of National Economic Council. Action Communication of National Economic Council. C. Executive Committee of National Economic Council. D. none of the above. So the right answer is C, the Executive Committee of National Economic Council. What is a seismic hook? Seismic hook is 135 degree. The main design consideration for foundation is bearing capacity and settlement. The right answer is bearing capacity and settlement. CPM stand for critical process method, critical path method, construction planning method, control path method. So the right answer is critical path method. The right answer is critical path method. ISO stand for International Standards Office, International Organization for Standardization, Indian Standards Organization, Integrated Standards Office. So the right answer is B, International Organization for Standardization. CBR stand for concrete bearing ratio, California bearing ratio, central base ratio, or compression bearing ratios. The right answer is California bearing ratio. ASTM code for steel testing is D416, D760, A416, A760. So the right answer is C, A416. Minimum compressive strength of concrete block is less than 1700 psi, greater than 3000 psi, greater than 2000 psi, or exactly 1000 psi. So the correct answer is greater than 2000 psi. Overhead costs include cement, steel, fabrication, or office rent. So the right answer is office rent. Salvage value is considered as expense, income, liability, loss. So the right answer is income. High efficiency turbine is Francis, Kennedy, Kaplan, and Pelton. So the right answer is Kaplan. Influence line is used for wind load, seismic load, moving load, or dead load. So the right answer is moving load.